Guys, I'm cooking indomie with vegetable. This indomie, not spaghetti, indomie. Can you see? It's very yummy. Very nice. I like putting vegetable in my indomie so that it will balance. Look at. Guys, wash with me. The washing machine is on. So I need to wash some clothes. Can you see how the foam is coming out? This washing machine is very nice. Whirlpool, can you see the name? Whirlpool. Whirlpool is good product. I like a Whirlpool. This one is drying one. It's also good, very nice. When you finish washing, you have to open your washing machine or your dryer. Leave it open. Don't close it so that air will come out. Do not have odor. So after washing this one, now I'll open the washing machine and leave it on open. So I hope you have learned this one. When you have finished washing your clothes, don't close the washing machine. Leave it open. Guys, can you see this plate? It's very beautiful. Beautiful place.